This is a shock absorber from a Mazda 626 GD, and we are disassembling it because it's an adjustable one and it's not functioning anymore. So I open it up, look how it works, and maybe I can repair it so that I can use this shock again, because you can't buy this anymore. You can't buy the normal ones without the adjustable, but you can't buy this one. So if I can repair this, I can reuse it. And we start that we machine this weld down, and hopefully we can get this open and can see what it looked like on the inside. So I will say, let's start. Needed a new insert. I can see something. Maybe it's deep enough. A little deeper. The sound is horrible. I don't know why. Maybe the insert is not completely in. Let's test. Oh, it was a little loose. This one is tight. Try again. What was that sound? I see oil. Let's see if we tap it a bit. Huh? It's open. Perfect. So let's take it out. I've used this to center it at the livestock. So let's go to the table. So now we're at the table. Let's open it. There's not much oil in it. So So here's this one. Yeah, you can see it's a little damaged. Let's look at the other parts. I forgot the light. I'm sorry. So let's see. Yeah, that's not much oil. Really not much. So the inside is nice and clean. So this one, oh, there's a leak somewhere. This one is somehow damaged. So what do we have here? Okay, there's a seal. So there's a seal. This looks good. So I must open this one, that we can see the inside of this. This one I made to center it on the livestock. And there you see, with this pin, you can adjust the shock. And now let's try to open it. So, oops. So, you can see I have cleaned it a bit. It's very light. It has a little play. So not too much. Get a look inside. I try to open it. So I have taken this ring off, and now I know that this is only stuck inside, so we can hammer it out with the shock shaft. And there it is. And now we can see how everything looks inside. So this tube looks not too bad. So let's see what we have here. Is that brass? I think this is brass. No. Copper maybe? I have no idea. So this is the guide ring, and this is the seal. It has not much wear on it. So on the inside of this is where you can adjust it, but we don't need to open it because the adjustable mechanism still works. Only you can see here, this is way too less fluid. So the main seal here is broken, has left everything out. You can see the debris. and maybe this seal too. We will make new seals and then put everything together with enough oil, and we must put pressure in it. I've seen a video where someone made it with a small needle, not here, with a small needle he's going inside and put pressure inside of it, of the shock, and it worked. So maybe we try this too. But for now, I will get new seals and maybe a new guide ring. And it looks, no, I don't need the new guide ring. The seal, no. Only the seals, the outer seals are damaged. The rest is fine. So get one and then put it together.